Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to send dice in Monopoly Go. So to start, open Monopoly Go and go to the bottom right of your screen. Click on Friends, then select Invite. Previously, sending dice directly to friends was easier. If they accepted your invite, both of you could get dice rewards. Currently, the rewards are limited. Now, inviting friends mainly benefits you. You'll get dice after inviting a certain number of friends. So, how can you still share dice with friends? That's where the community chest comes in. To use community chest, you need to add friends and unlock it. Click Add friends and start inviting people. Once enough friends accept, your community chest will unlock. When it's unlocked, click Open. You'll see the mini game that lets you earn rewards alongside your friends. The system will randomly select friends to receive rewards like dice, cash, or tokens. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Click on the selected friend, collect your rewards, and share dice through the mini game. The rewards vary each time, so keep trying until you get what you want. And that's how you send dice in Monopoly Go using the community chest. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more tips and tricks.